Hey everyone, so we just bought this Apple AirPod Pro. So this is 2021 AirPod Pro. Let's see what is inside the box. Since I'm holding camera from one hand, it is hard to remove, but yeah. So if you will just open the box, you will see there is a pamphlets and all those documentation inside it. And this is our AirPod Pro. You can see that this is slightly heavier than the AirPod original because it has a noise cancellation and all those features inside it. This is the LED light for status, whether green, yellow and red depending upon how much battery it has. You can also charge it remotely. Let's keep it this side, and if you remove it, then pretty much what is inside the box is we have this cable for charging this the AirPod Pro, and then we have these earplugs for different ear size. There is a different earplugs, and so yeah, this is what is inside this box. So we have the cable, we have the earplugs and the AirPod itself, and some documentation designed by Apple in California. So yeah, this is designed in our state. Cool. Apple AirPod.